Good morning, honorable guest of the day, CCL officials, respected teachers, and dear students. As you all know, that CCL is organizing a 3-month business awareness campaign 2023 from 16 August to 15 November of this year. Being a sub-unit of CCL, your school is playing an active role to meet with the aim of the campaign by organizing different activities as like today's, and the aim is very much clear to all of you. The aim is to increase the awareness, to generate the awareness regarding existence of corruption, causes of corruption, and the threats of corruption, and to fight against the same among the students and among the publics. We know that a nation free from corruption will prosper. Its resources will be widely used, promoting better education, better infrastructures, and better health care. The nation's free from corruption provides equal opportunities among all, promoting peace and harmony. But there is a confusion, maybe say that misconceptions regarding the corruptions. Many of us or generally public used to think that corruption is not related with doing. Corruption can be caused only by high officials, politicians, and businessmen. But I have a doubt. What about the students who is not doing his job honestly? And what about the teachers who are not utilizing the times properly, judicially? And what about even labor who is stealing labor and who is not taking the responsibilities? So it is the time through this campaign, it is the time to review all these things. And the answer is within our inner soul. We have to listen the voice of our inner soul and do it and do accordingly. Now, it becomes clear that saying no to corruption and committed to nations is the responsibilities we all share. So, I request the senior most and founder teachers, Mrs. S. Rabbani, CCL in charge, to administer oath of integrity to the students and the teachers saying no to corruption. Thank you. Have a good day. And God bless all my dear students with wisdom and success. That's all. Namaste.